Hashtag GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit. GizzyCredit. Anything you want, then you can get it. Don't get scammed, cause then you'll regret it. Hollywood legend. No longer gotta look pathetic. Gizzy.
What's good, my people? This video is brought to you by our $99 do-it-yourself credit repair system. With this system, you're able to remove any inaccurate negative account on your credit report, and you will be disputing by mail. So you can remove any type of negative account, whether it's a student loan, child support, late payment, charge off, public records, bankruptcies. A lot of results that people have sent me during the years that this system has been sold, and actually it has been sold over 4,000 times and continues to sell every day. If you want to learn how to dispute your negatives and you don't have the money to pay a company $99 a month, hey, why not pay $99 one time and you do your own credit repair and you learn the process, you learn how to do it, you get to see what we go through helping people with their credit. Of course, you're going to get aggressive credit repair results, but at the same time, it's a process to remove any type of negative account. Our system comes with a 5-step process, and of course, every step or every round is a different round in which you send a different dispute to get the desired result as far as getting the negative account removed. Anyways, my people, you already know how to get it. Just go to my website, GizzyCredit at GizzyCredit.com. More videos to come, and now let's enjoy our results video. What's good, my people? Your boy GizzyCredit here, giving out another results to this customer who started 30 days ago. You remember the file who started and got results from Virginia and got results in one day? I'm gonna post that video right over here, right there. These are the results for his Experian. So TransUnion is completely done, and now his Experian is completely done. As you can see right here, it also says student loans, Department of Education, and some other collections that were removed. And now we see his Experian report, right? No more negative accounts on Experian. Good for this customer. That's what's up. Everything removed from 2 bureaus in 30 days. Yay. Alrighty, that was for my Instagram people. Let me go back to this and let's talk about this customer's results, especially the Department of Education negative accounts. So definitely, my people, as you can see, got results in one day for TransUnion, and it's a process. Not every bureau is going to get done fast. Some bureaus are going to take their 30 days to get back to you, some maybe less. But as you can see, people get results. Now, like I said in the previous video, it's about 5% of people who get these results. But look at this customer. Everything was removed in one day from TransUnion. Now Experian, everything removed. So he's done with 2 bureaus. I'm just waiting on his Equifax to get results back to let this customer know, hey, listen, you're done, dude. I mean, you can go out there, do what you want to do, or go at tradelines to go start getting some credit cards, or go get a vehicle loan, or if you want to qualify for a house, go see about qualifying for a house. I mean, you know, it's not only credit score based, it's based on your income to actually get an approval letter. But think about it. These things are done. Thank God that we're able to dispute online with all 3 bureaus. I know that a lot of people think that disputing online is definitely bad, but it's not. We do it to each, and we encourage each and every customer that comes to us to have everything removed from the credit report. Now, this is Pixie. If you're going to be all up in the video, show people, hey, this is Pixie. You remember me? Anyway, let me get his stank ass out of here. As you can see, everything be removed from collection accounts to Sally Mae, student loans, government loans. They can be removed as well. Again, my people, if you like these videos and you like to support my channel, I got a Cash App. We also have a $99 do-it-yourself credit repair system. We have a $99 do-it-yourself credit card funding system. From this video, you also see that we help people with business credit. So I like when I'm able to offer all these services and be a connection for you guys. So if I've ever helped you in your life in the last 10 years, about to be 10 years doing this, get out my Cash App, support my channel, subscribe and like, and hopefully you watch this video to the end so you can listen to my GizzyCredit theme song. Anyways, my people, hope you enjoy your day. 973-440-8661. And Pixie the cat also says, enjoy yourself. See you later.
Don't get scammed. What you need is just a change of plan.